10:50, they only advise a large group of men and a female screaming.
No, what are you doing now? I'm not touching you.
This is a business in the city of...
Hey, fired outside. Move it. Law police, stop! You better stop. You're gonna get drop that.
They only advise a large group of men and a female screaming. All the RPs aren't really informative.
Yeah, I just told them to get out. We've been kicking them out. It's been an ongoing process to get them out of the building. Yo, you really come out here armed like that, though? Well, you don't need to. No, I'm trying to make sure my parking lots get cleared first. You come out, hey, yo, let's go. I'm not worried about y'all with y'all guns, bro. This shit don't scare me, man.
All right, well, I'm going in.
Hey, I'll go in with you. Hey, let's get a couple to go inside.
Yo. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. What are you doing now? Chill. Bro, I'm not touching you.
This is a business in the city of law. You're going to back up or you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
What? I'm asking you, what are you coming in here for? I'm obstructing what?
This is a business in the city of law.
Okay, I'll pull him. But again, listen. Y'all gotta go that way. I'll pull him. Yes, you do. You're coming in here. You got your phone? Anybody got a phone?
You listen to me, sir.
Yo.
Hey, fired outside. Move it. Hey, fired to the east. Hey! Where's he? Over there! Him right there! Law police, stop! Black male, gray shirt, black pants, running the east. On park, coming up to 10. Hey! You better stop! You better stop! You're gonna get
Headquarters to last unit, can you identify yourself?
Bravo 8, South out 10. Hey! You're gonna get I need somebody in the car. He's running eastbound in the alley. Hey! You better stop! You better stop! Drop that! Bravo 8 fired by police. Stay on the ground!
To your right!
Go! You get Patterson!
Cuff him!
Roll over!
Roll over!
Bravo 8 dispatch. Get medical started. Have him stand by. About 10th and Park. Ran their way. South.
Pick him up!
Hey, let's get him in custody. Let's do first aid.
Everybody got a tourniquet?
I got tourniquet.
Yes, sir. Where's the at?
Should be chest. Watch our backs. Units out here, just be advised. They were all at each other. So just watch for. Hey, just be advised. There was a white SUV south of the Lavish Lounge in the parking lot. This is who you He'll be chest.
You got 2 chest wounds. Okay, y'all stand by with him.
Hey, that
Who fired?
I did.
Okay.
Get pressure on him. Bravo 8 dispatch. Have medical come to 10th and Park. But a 20-year-old male, multiple wounds to the chest. Yeah, if we can, get some units with some crime scene tape. Set up a perimeter on this alleyway south of 10th and Park.
Hey, do me a favor, grab that extra canister so it's not on the ground.
Hey, let's just leave that there. We're gonna secure all this, just leave it there.
You sure?
Yeah, this will all be a scene.
Bravo 25 goes to.
Yeah.
It's in my car.
014 headquarters, you got status on EMS?
Are you good?
Yeah.
14 there now.
We good?
Hey, take it in. You're good.
Oh, I'm good.
Haven't seen the crash you said.
Oh, I gotta send it from
Units out here,
Y'all good?
when they start showing up, make sure we clear a path, get them in here 1018.
Yeah.
Units on board.
I'd probably go. That's the family there. Medical is gonna come to 10th and Summit. They need a clear way. He's in the alleyway right here.
What they need?
Yeah, that passenger was the one that was back at this guy.
You get Ronan? Where's he?
Yeah, alleyway right here. Be advised, he was armed.
Where's he at?
6'9".
White male, white shirt, right?
That's not Martinez. Where are they at?
Yeah, I didn't get a good description on him.
That went through the club, so we probably need to take control of the club too.
Okay, let's figure out what we got first.
Hang on.
Hold up.
Martinez out with?
It's Echo 1. He's at 6'9" with the guy that this guy was at in the white SUV.
Okay, who's got a car close by?
And I guess he took off, so somebody needs to go to him.
Yes. Okay. Which way were you?
Echo 1, where were you at? I just want to make sure.
609, this big yellow house over here.
Yeah, okay, you got units coming to you.
Which way were you pointing? Which way were you?
That way.
Straight
Perimeter
east
over
or
here.
east?
No.
Southeast.
I came around the corner, and he was standing kind of off center from
Need
me.
to know so we can
Yeah,
go
just
back
east,
around.
southeast
Back.
a little.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come over by my car. Get out of the street.
Okay.
Hit stay with him until somebody can be with him.
Fire at him?
He pulled a gun. Sorry.
Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why we need medical here. I told medical go there.
1430
Yeah, he was at the guy in the white SUV. The passenger. The passenger was at him, and then he took off running this way. The passenger got in that white SUV, and I didn't see where they went, but I just went after him.
So he was running.
Yeah, we ran this way.
Yeah.
And then as we're running, I was almost to that fence, and he went around the corner, and I said, "Hey, Lawton Police, stop, stop, stop."
Units be advised, we got kids in the house.
And then when I came around, he's in his waistband, pulled out the gun.
There you go. There you go.
Hopefully medical can get here.
There's a disturbance once about to start. Off, Dad.
Okay, you got more units coming to you.
Hey!
Yeah. I lost my mask somewhere.
You're fine. Let's go.
Hands! Hands! Down! 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 Down!
A mother who lost a son to a Lawton police officer involved is speaking out.
I'm going to get justice for my son. Zontarius Johnson is going to get justice, and I am demanding for the DA to open the case back up.
Those officers face charges of manslaughter in connection to an officer-involved that resulted in the death of Quadri Sanders in December.
This comes after two separate officer-involved for the Lawton Police Department, less than a year apart, both involving Ronan.
They hired a trigger-happy cop.
Now they want to see Zontarius' case opened back up, and a lengthier punishment as well, with both currently charged with manslaughter in just Sanders' case.